Welcome back to Sketch Tutorial Series with Part 5. In this tutorial, we are going to draw the sketch of a kind of spanner in which we are going to use the Polygon feature to draw this hexagon. So let's start our sketch, but before I would like you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification for any of my future video uploaded. Start a new part. Offset the front plane by 100. Set up our drawing on this plane using Sketch Picture tool. Select the drawing. Press F to view the whole screen. Now match the scale of our drawing with that of Solidworks using the Scale tool. I will select this dimension to match the scale. Again press F to view the whole screen. Now locate the origin on a suitable point like this one. Now let's draw a sketch on front plane. First of all, draw the hexagon using the Polygon feature. The no of sides are already 6. If I change it to 5, it will draw a pentagon and it works like this. Now draw the two circles. Now let's draw our axes as well. Draw the lines. Make the second line as construction object. Similarly, draw the lines below the axis. Add the symmetric relation between these two lines. Now draw the arc with center on vertex of hexagon. Similarly, draw this arc also. Now draw this arc using 3 points arc feature. Delete the extra edges of hexagon and trim the unwanted portion of the circle. Define dimension of hexagon. Define distance between the two centers. Define radius and diameter of the two circles. Define radii of the three arcs. Coincide the vertex of hexagon with vertical axis to define the hexagon. Now this part has been fully defined. Coincide this construction line with the vertex of hexagon. Now the whole sketch is fully defined. Let's draw the two fillets now. Now our sketch is completely defined. Exit the sketch and look, it is exactly matching with our drawing. So this is the end of this part. Let's see you in the next part. Keep watching and subscribing SolidWorks A Learning.